Hello and welcome to the Bread Bosses Society, a society where bakers can come together and share recipes and tips. Today, I'm going to take you through the Bread Bosses Proofing Basket Banneton set. It's an essential tool for any baker, and it can really get that homemade feel while getting that professional consistency. Let's take you through it now. We're going to talk about the oval Banneton today, and the key thing that you'll notice about this is it's got a wicker base and a cloth liner. These two elements come together to create the right environment for your loaf so it can proof to its full potential. The cloth liner can really help when dealing with wet and sticky dough, or when you're early on and you've just started baking, and it just prevents it from sticking to the Banneton. You season your Banneton so the dough doesn't stick. All you'll need is water in a spray utensil and flour. Rice flour works best. So you take the water, and the key here is you want a complete covering, because the idea is when you get the flour, you want it to stick. Be quite generous with the flour here. So no part of the dough will stick to the Banneton. To use the Banneton, just make sure you add a little bit of flour to the loaf after, of course, seasoning the Banneton itself, and this just ensures that the loaf won't stick. You'll find that when you use the Banneton the first 3 times or so, that's when you'll need to season the most, and then after that you only need to season a little bit less, because the resilience of the cloth liner and the Banneton itself has built up. To store it, just make sure that the cloth lining is dry if you're using the cloth lining, and to clean it itself, I mean, only once monthly you need to brush down out the flour. You can use a little bit of water, but not much, just because obviously it changes the texture of the cloth lining. But yeah, otherwise you're ready to go. Right, that's it. All the information that you need is in the video description. Thanks for watching, and keep baking.